Every time there's danger, the day octopus melts into her surroundings. The perfect disguise. Her trick is all the more astounding, given that she, like all octopuses, is colorblind. She doesn't need to see the color, to be the color. To keep herself safe, the day octopus transforms hundreds of times a day. And over weeks, she allows Alex to see every shade, hue, and pattern.
Using small muscular structures similar to what we have on our tongue, octopuses can change the texture of their skin. So they can go from super smooth to really spiky in less than a second. But what blows my mind is they don't actually need to touch any of the texture that they're matching. They can match the texture just by looking at it.
It's getting late, which means more predators. A crevice in the coral is a safe den for the night.